Hi, my name is Joshua Ferguson. Since I was young, I've been an avid gamer and I've always been fascinated with the concept of designing video games. After years of experimenting around with modding and mapping games such as Warcraft 3 and Counter-Strike Source, I finally decided to pursue a career in game development and began to teach myself the entry skills and knowledge required to start developing my own video games. I followed my personal studies with a nationally recognised qualification, of which I graduated from with a Diploma of Digital and Interactive Games in 2016. I am now a lecturer of game design at South Metro TAFE, and I'm helping guide others find their dream career in the games industry. Since becoming serious about game development, I've networked with other developers locally and internationally and created a number of small games for various game jams such as Ludum Dare, 48 Secret, and Mytholojam. I by no means claim to be a master of game development or design, however I have learned a range of skills, techniques and knowledge for developing the various elements of video games since starting my foray into game development, and I would like to share them with others who also aspire to achieve a career in game development but may not have the means of undertaking officially endorsed education. If you are an aspiring game developer or simply have an interest in game development, subscribe to this channel for videos that will cover a range of game development and design topics, including programming tutorials, development software tutorials, game art tutorials, industry trends, and much more. Thank you for taking the time to check out the channel. Now let's get started and make some video games.